Okay, so next question. Now this question should be fairly easy if you've been following the rest of the videos, because what you realize is that as soon as I see this crap in here, oh wait, put my pencil on here. As soon as you see this stuff, I know that I'm going to use a double angle formula. So A is fairly straightforward. I just take that. Now I'm not even going to show you, I'm not going to write that out again. That is equal to, okay, so the cos. Oh wait, sorry, not a double angle formula, compound angle formula. My bad. It's the cos of 45 degrees times the cos of 30 degrees, and we have exact answers for those. And then it's plus, because it was minus in here, the cos, remember, switches sign. The sine compound angle formula keeps its same sign. And then it goes to the sine of 45 degrees and the sine of 30 degrees. Cool. Now, exact answers for these. Fairly easy because they're all in the first quadrant, so they're all positive, because that's the A quadrant, if you remember your CAST. Cos of 45. Cos of 45 is 1 over root 2. Cos of 30. Cos of 30. Well, check it on your calculator. It won't give you that, but it will give you 0.866, I believe, and you got to remember that that's what that is. Sine of 45. 1 over root 2. Sine of 30. 1/2. This one you can check in your calculator. Just plug it right in. It gives you 0.5, which is 1/2. Okay, now I take all these things and I multiply them together. So this gets a little bit tricky, but I'm going to show you how to do it, because I'm so nice. So multiplication. Multiplication of fractions, you just multiply the tops together and the bottoms together. 1 times root 3 is root 3. 2 times root 2 is 2 root 2. Plus 1 times 1 is 1 over root 2 times 2 is 2 root 2. Oh, this is easy enough. I already have common denominators. So how do I add these things? Well, I can't really. So I get root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. Now, if that blew your mind, it's because you don't remember how to do fractions. If you have common denominators of fractions, like let's say that I had 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8, then what I do is I add those two things together. So I get 3 plus 1 over 8. But really that just turns into 4 because I do that math. Here, I can't put root 3 and plus 1 together, so I have to leave it as that, but they go over a single denominator, just like I did here. Cool. This is done. Unless your teacher tells you that she wants the roots on the top, because some people are specific. They don't want roots in the bottom. So what they do is they multiply this thing top and bottom by root 2 to get the roots off of the bottom. So whatever's on the bottom, you multiply top and bottom by. This is just multiplying by 1, so you're allowed to do it. And you get, so multiply this into here and into here, root 6, because root that times that, plus root 2 over, what happens when I get root 2 times root 2? Well, it goes to 2. You guys cool with that? Just do a side note here. Root 2 times root 2 is equal to root 4, which is equal to 2. Now, if I have 2 root 2 times that, I get, the 2 stays in front, so it's 2 times root 4, which is 2 times 2, which ends up equaling 4. Hope that didn't confuse you. This might be the answer that they want. If they don't like the roots on the bottom, they want you to simplify the radicals in the thing, then you have to move it to the top, which is a pain in the butt, but some people want you to do that. Personally, I think that this answer is fine. Okay, gonna go to stop and start doing question B, because it's a little bit different. Question A should be easy. As soon as you see this stuff, do your compound angle formula, and then just sub in those exact values that you now know how to do. Simplify because you got a common denominator and get down to here. Cool.